Hey guys, it's Ryan here, and today I'm going to be doing part 2 of the 5-minute burp challenge. So first off, we're going to start with how many burps can I do in a minute. I say about 20, 25. I'm not going to know until after the video, but here we go. There was as many burps as I can do in 1 minute. Now I'm going to be counting to 25 in burps.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Alright, there was 25s. Now I'm going to be doing some loud burps. Now for the last minute, I'm going to be doing how many pumps I can get at once. I'm not going to be counting. I'm just going to see how many I can possibly get in and make the loudest burp. Alright, here it is. Now it's just average. We got a couple more of these. Now for the last 30 seconds, I'm just going to be doing fast pumps, fast burp. Here we go. Here's the last burp. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed. This was the 5-minute burping challenge part 2.